welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Omo, it's been a long it's been a long time I saw you guys. Like it's up to 1 week. Yeah, 1 week guys. This YouTube, easy. This street is not easy. Sometimes you just want to rest, but you don't even know what to video. Like, you don't even know what to film, you want to do something, but you're lost. It's not easy. But I go wait. If not 10 years, you go take. Hey. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. Come on, help me. So today, let me tell you guys a story. So I think within the week I made I just boiled white rice. We have stew in the freezer. So remember I had leftover pumpkin leaf, so I just decided to make something small, like a sauce, vegetable sauce on the side. That is rice stew with vegetable sauce on the side. Guys, guess what? Yesterday my husband bought me vegetable leaf, like pumpkin leaf. That in his words, he was like, I bought leaf, make that sauce for me now. Like that one did that day. That means he really enjoyed it. And this one, I'm not using meat though, it's just crayfish. And don't worry, you guys will see what I'm gonna prepare. Subscribers, I can't make a video without thanking you guys. Now, without remembering you guys, thank you so much. Thank you for all you guys have done for me in this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If you're a new subscriber or you just stumbled on my page, give me a hug. You're so welcome. It's all love from here. Please kindly subscribe, like, drop a comment, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you just get notified. For my returning subscribers, 3 bosa for now. Bosa. Let's cut everything short. I'm hungry. So here are the things I'll be using to make this vegetable sauce. Yes, we have the efori roll, we have the vegetable leaf, that's pumpkin leaf, we have this big crayfish, normal crayfish. I'll blend this, and we have tomatoes and pepper. Yes, so I'll be using this to make the vegetable sauce. So let's get cooking. Wondering why I'm opening this up? I do this. You have to take out the seeds if you don't want the your tomato to have this sour taste. Yes, so you have to take out the seeds. That's the secret. So guys, here we have banana. Yes, I already told you guys that if you marry an Akwaibom woman, you never go hungry. Even if you don't have anything in the house, like at least you have all the small things around. You use it, make it, turn it to something yummy. So I'll be boiling this unripe banana. So I'll be using it with this vegetable sauce, though my husband will use it with rice, and I'll use mine with, I'll say it's rice though, but I was really craving this, so I'll just boil it. No, ignore the dog. Welcome back, guys. So that will be the end of my video today. Yes, I hope you learned something. Just in case you don't have, like, meat, beef, fish, or whatever around you at the moment, and you really need to eat something healthy, you can check your backyard for pumpkin leaf, anything, and just hook up something and satisfy your taste buds. Yes, so I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to click on the notification bell, so when next I drop a video, you'll be notified. And please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Please drop a comment in the comment box. Let me just air your opinion on what. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's all love from here. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Ciao.